In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page number styles in Microsoft Word. If you want to change the way page numbers look in your Microsoft Word document, you can easily choose a different numbering style and adjust the page number format. This is useful when working on reports, school projects, books, or other documents where you want your page numbering to match the document style. First, open your Microsoft Word document and go to the page where the page numbers are already displayed. Now, double-click on the header or footer area where the page number is located. This will open the header and footer section and give you access to the page number settings. Next, go to the Header and Footer tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the page number option and click on it. From the menu, select Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will appear with different options for changing the page number style. Look for the Number Format drop-down menu. Click on it to see the available numbering styles. Here, you can choose different formats depending on how you want your page numbers to appear. For example, you can use regular numbers such as 1, 2, and 3. You can also choose lowercase Roman numerals such as I, and I, or uppercase Roman numerals such as I, 2, and 3. Select the numbering style that you want to use. You can also choose how the numbering should continue. If you want the page numbers to continue from the previous section, select the option to continue from the previous section. If you want the numbering to begin with a specific number, select Start At and enter the number you want. For example, if you want the current section to begin with page number 1, choose Start At and enter 1. Once you have selected the numbering style and starting option, click OK to apply the changes. Your page numbers will now use the new style throughout the appropriate section of your document. If your document contains multiple sections, remember that each section can have its own page numbering settings. This gives you more control when you need different numbering styles in different parts of the document. For example, you can use Roman numerals for the beginning pages and regular numbers for the main content. This is commonly used in reports, books, and academic documents. After changing the style, review several pages to make sure the numbering appears correctly and that the format is consistent. And that's how you can change page number styles in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,